Good afternoon. Let's look at some examples from chapter 11 on algebraic expressions. This problem says we would like to calculate how many years in centuries from 777 BC to 1980 AD. So I drew a number line. BC means negative 777. There's 0. And 1980 AD is positive. If I want to find the total number of years between this point and this point, we need to subtract. So we start with the bigger number, 1980, subtract the negative number, negative 777. Subtraction is like adding the opposite. So that gives us 2,757 years. We would like to convert this into centuries. So a century is 100 years. We divide that number by 100, coming up with 27.57. And reading how we're supposed to respond to the question, round to the nearest whole number, the answer we are looking for is 28 centuries. Let's look at another problem. This is working with exponents. And there's an interpretation here that is most important. This says minus the 2 squared times the quantity minus 4 cubed. The exponent, whether it's a 2 or 3, affects what it is touching. So since the 2 is only touching the 2, not the minus sign, we repeat the 2. So it's minus 2 times 2. The cube is touching the parentheses, so we repeat the parentheses, minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4. This gives us a minus 64. This, of course, is minus 4 for a total product of positive 256. As an aside, let's compare minus the 2 squared versus the quantity minus 2 squared. Minus the 2 squared means repeat the 2, so our answer is negative 4. Quantity minus 2 squared means repeat the quantity, so it's minus 2 times minus 2 or plus 4. Let's interpret signs. We need signed values. A parachutist descends, meaning negative, 121 feet in 11 seconds. Use a signed number to find the average rate at which her position is changing. Her position is coming downwards, so it's negative 121. She does that in 11 seconds. Dividing one by the other, we come up with an answer of negative 11 feet per second. And finally, we want to simplify an algebraic expression. We would like to use PEMDAS. And I'm going to define PEMDAS as pranksters earn math detention after school. Parentheses first, exponents, multiply or divide as we go left to right, add or subtract as we go left to right. So in the given problem, we have a bracket with the parentheses inside, so we will distribute 3, getting 3a plus 15, take away the 2a. It's nice to simplify what's inside first before moving outward. So 3a minus 2a is 1a plus the 15. Now, a mistake that is often made is people will subtract because they don't notice the multiplication symbol right there between the 2 and the bracket. We should multiply before we subtract. That's a distribution. That means we have minus 2a minus 30. Now we combine like terms, and the final answer is negative 2a minus 22.